first spot of the day. See if we'll catch one right now. Got the donkey rig on, guys. Let's get the... I saw like a 4-pounder already. Oh, I just had one. Oh, I just had 2 at once, dude. Hello. Steph. Holy crap, that's a big one.
Already?
Yeah. Ah, he bit me good.
That's what.
Got one right there. Throw him back. Stephen, do not cast straight out. There's a line. There's a line there. Oh. We gotta go that way. Dad, don't go that way. Steph, watch out. I was here first. Guys, go that way. Don't go that way. Oh, we got one chaser. Oh my god. He the other one. Oh my god. Holy crap. Nice. Bro, this spot's loaded, guys. You can't fish here though. Unhook him yourself, bro. Okay, let me adjust the camera a bit quickly so I can like see a tad bit more downwards. I have pliers in my backpack.
Oh my goodness, bro, this is bad. Give me your pliers, bro.
They're in the backpack. Push him down really good, pin him to the ground. Huh? I'm gonna go further. Stefan, pin him down to the ground and like push him, pin him really good. I saw a big one. I just saw him again. He just went for it. We will. Stefan, after grab your stuff. Why did I take 2 rods?